So welcome back to my channel once again. So today we'll be doing tutorials on how to cut a pencil skirt. So this place will be serving as the waist. And by the way, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please encourage me and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button, so as soon as I upload a video you'll be notified. Thank you very much. Your subscription means a lot to me. So this will be the waist, this will be the hip. I'll be taking 9 inch for my hip, and I'll be taking 18 for my knee length, and the full length of the skirt is 38 inches. 38 inches. And so we start. My waist is 32. 32 divided by 4 is 8. And then I'll be adding allowance for my dart and my sewing. So I'll be adding 3 inches for the dart at the waist and the sewing. Now we come down to the hip. My hip is 41. 41 divided by 4 is 10 and half. 10 and half. Sorry, 10.25. So this is 10.25. I'll be adding 3 inch for my sewing allowance. This is it. You can add 2 inch depending on however way it suits you. So I'll come down to my knee length. I'll just minus 1 inch from my hip, or 2 inch, whichever one goes for you. But I'll be doing 7 or 6, because my hip divided by 4 is 8. So let's say I'll do 7. This is 7, that is minus 1, then plus 3 inch also for my sewing allowance. So I'll come down to my knee length and also take the measurement I have on my hip, which is 10.25. that I have on my knee length. I also place it at my full length, and now I'll connect together. You connect together like this. So this is it. Sorry if you're not really seeing to this point because of my choke and the camera, it might not be getting to this point. So this is my front, the front of my skirt. So I'll pin it down and then I'll cut. You pin it down and then you cut. Sorry, need to confirm this. It's 38. So 38 here. Make sure the measurements are accurate. The measurement is accurate, so you don't end up making a mistake. So now we'll cut. Mind you, I left it at 38. I'll also add my band about 1 inch, about 2 inch to my waist, and then I'll use that 2 inch to fold the down of my skirt. So this is our skirt. How is it looking? Yes, I know it's giving. So please kindly subscribe to my channel. So we'll be cutting the back of our skirt. So we want to cut the back of our skirt. So after folding your material this way, you bring the front of your skirt, place it on the material, on the folded material. So now you go down to your hip. Normally I do 2 inches for my zipper allowance. This is 2 inches at the hip, at the waist, sorry. You come down to the hip. This is the hip area, the hip region. Now I took 9 inch at the hip region. So at this hip region, you come out by 3 inch. Remember at the waist you came out by 2 inch. So at this hip region, you come out by 2 inch. This is to enable your butt sit properly at the waist. Is to enable your butt sit properly. Now our knee length is 18 inches. Our knee length is 18 inches. From this, at this 18 inches here, you come out by 2 inch. You come out by 2 inch. And at the full length of the skirt here, you come out, you step out by 2 inch also. And then you connect. So you see, it's very easy. It's something you can easily try and you'll be happy you did. It's very easy. You connect it. Connect. So this is it. So we cut and then you notch this area. This is your zipper area. So this is how to cut a pencil skirt. You also notch this part. So this is how to cut a pencil skirt. Thank you for watching to the end of these tutorials. If you know you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Your subscription means a lot to me. God bless you. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so more people can see it. Thank you.